Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to hang your toilet paper the proper way. With some heavy research in the dark web, I finally have the answer. But first, you need to tap the sub button and then the like button and comment down below, or whatever these 12-year-olds do these days. Alright guys, you all ready? I'm going to try my best to make this video long. This is how you hang your toilet paper the proper way. It's easy to get a grip, and you can impress your mates with this trick. Because I have no mates, I can't give you an example of my mates being impressed. But look at the bright side, I don't have to pay anyone to act like they're being impressed with this trick.